water and the ocean and lakes. I'll be going for my master's for coastal ecology. I'll be researching how sea level rising, saltwater variation in those areas are like degrading those systems and how they're changing. And we'll be testing like how the change in vegetation and differences in salinity levels with water samples in those areas have changed over those time frames. My end goal, I would like to be either planning restoration on coastal areas or managing coastal habitats. The research that I'm doing now is testing all of the beaches for E. coli levels, which we then compare over previous years to see if there's any variation between those levels. The other things we test for are total coliforms, microplastics in the sand and in the water, and then also microcystin as well. At our lab, there's a nature preserve, and so if we're ever walking around here, there's a greater chance that we will be having seeds or any other types of ways for spreading invasives that we might have picked up on our clothes or our shoes or anything. Before we go out again to test our beaches, we wipe off our shoes or our clothes or wear different shoes when we're going to the beaches or change our clothes because we don't want to spread what's here everywhere else.
Work, clean, go.